Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee here at the Gaggia Anima. And this machine was brought in because the infuser was stuck inside the machine and was in need of a tune-up. So we disassembled the machine, removed the brewing unit, the infuser, and soak it, clean it, replace the screens, replace the gaskets, re-lubricate the moving parts on the inside, and also we clean the inside and then we descale as well. And here it is working once again, and so we'll test it. Let's pull a shot. All right. All right, well, there we go. Gaggia Anima working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.